Okay, am I audible, Bhavani? Hello, am I audible?
Good evening.
Good evening,
Good evening.
Bhavani. Alright, so let me share the screen, then start the class.
Yeah, I will.
Okay, so what we have discussed in last class, we have discussed about, okay, so we have covered this introduction to CSS, types of CSS we have done. We have completed CSS syntax and selectors. Okay, we have seen the basic selector actually. Okay, and then colors, background and border. We have discussed about font, text style, box model. We have discussed margin, padding and display properties. We have discussed positions. We have discussed and layout. Okay, and flex box. Okay, so in display property we have to discuss some more thing. Okay, so in day 2, okay, in day 2 we have discussed about box model and positions, and in positions we have discussed inline block, right? And in positions we have discussed about static, absolute, relative. Okay, now we have to understand about the sticky and fixed, right? So let's discuss about the sticky position. Okay, so for understanding this sticky position, let me open the VS Code first, and let me just open the folder. And here where we have to go, GenAI, HTML, CSS, and this is day 3. Okay, so let me create here one file which is index. Okay, which property we are going to learn? Fixed position dot css. Okay, let's create the HTML file actually. In HTML we will write the CSS. So HTML. Okay, am I audible to you?
Yes, audible. Are you seeing my screen?
Means are you able to see the screen or not?
Actually, I am
You are sharing the screen.
sharing the screen.
Okay, so you have to discuss something.
You,
No, no. I
uh,
want to ask. Do you have to discuss something?
you're not
Do you have to show something?
seeing.
Actually, I shared my screen. Uh,
Yeah, yeah. Regarding about that
okay, so you
scrolling bar and that embedded
okay. So
video.
let's do one thing. First, let's complete topics, and in the end of the lecture, we will discuss that.
Regarding that
Yes, yes, yes. Regarding
outputs and everything, I have some doubts.
okay, so no worries, no
Yeah,
worries.
already showing. I'm already my screen or not?
But your screen is not visible actually. Can you please try once
Okay,
again?
okay.
You can try once again.
Al- Already shared my screen and again I offed my screen.
Okay, now try to share once again.
Naved?
Yes, yes, yes. Now your screen is visible.
Yeah. Are you watching my
Now I am able to
Okay.
see.
Can I show you?
Yes, please. It has disconnected
This is
again.
my code. Sharing.
Unable to see your code.
Okay, let me discuss afterwards. Shall first we will complete the class then.
Right, right, right. Maybe there is some network issue. Okay. So
Yes, yes.
let's just
Okay.
cover today's topic. Then in last we will discuss. Okay. So no worries. So let's go with the flow first. Okay. Is it visible? Is my screen visible to you?
Now visibling.
Okay, visible now. All right. Okay. So we have to understand the fixed position. How fixed position work, right? The position spelling is incorrect. Let me just correct it. Okay, position. Okay, so let's write the basic boilerplate code. Okay, so this is HTML boilerplate code. Here we have to discuss about the positions. Fixed. Okay, so I have to create here header. So what I will do, I'll just create the header tag, and in the header tag I will write one heading. Okay, so this is my first website. Okay, like that I'm writing. Okay, so if I will check the output of my page, right now I'm getting like this, right? But what I want to make it like a header. I want to make it like a navbar, or like we can say header. So what we need to do here, here we can add the CSS right now. So here we will apply CSS. So we are writing here internal CSS. So for writing internal CSS, we need to write a style tag, right? And where you have to apply the CSS, write the select that particular element. So this element, I want to select this element by its name. So here I will write header. Okay, can I provide it a background color? Background color, and let's suppose I'm giving here black color. So it is coming like this, right? So can I change the text color? How to change the text color? Can you please tell me
We can change it.
how we can change? We need to write here color, and we will
First
write
of all,
color.
background color.
No, no,
Background
I
color.
want background color is black,
Okay. Then we can go to the color and we can select
right? Now tell
which
me
color we want.
how can I make it in center?
Align center.
Align center. Are you sure? Because
Wait,
align
wait.
center we used to write in HTML, but here what I'm writing
Yes, yes.
CSS. Align. Like, do you want me to write like this, or do you want me to like write like this? So it will not work, okay? Because align center means, for example, here you are writing align and center, align, and here you are writing center. So this is what,
Hmm.
this is the code I have written in HTML. This is what HTML what?
No, this is CSS.
No, no, this is the HTML.
Align center.
No, no, this HTML is what? I mean, this align is what?
That is Krita.
This align is a attribute.
Attribute, yes.
Okay, and the center is value, but this align does not belongs to CSS. This belongs to HTML. Like this header is what HTML element, align is what HTML attribute, and this is the value of that attribute. But in
Mm.
CSS, if you want to make something in center in CSS, so here you will write one property which is text align, and here you will write center. So this is the CSS way. That was the HTML way. Right now,
Okay.
right? So if you want to make the text bold, so you can use b tag, and in CSS for the same you can write text. What you can write to make the bold text? What property you will put?
Where?
Font width. What we write?
But yes.
Font weight.
Width.
In font weight
Width.
we write bold. Okay, so this is the CSS way. And if you're writing b tag, and here you are writing something, so this is what? This is bold through the HTML. Okay, but that we can achieve with CSS also, right? So we are discussing about the CSS. All right. So can you see here some space is coming here. I want to I want my header to touch this top boundary, but it is not touching. Why? Because default margin is there. And how you can remove the default margin? Here you have to use one selector, which is star selector. That star selector is known as global selector. So in global selector, you have to say, I want to keep padding 0 globally, right? And you have to tell it margin 0. Okay, can you see now it is fixed to the top? Okay, there is no default for padding. If you will comment this, you will see something like this. But I want without padding and margin. Is that clear? So right now we have built this. Okay, and I want to create two pages. Okay, so what I will do, I will write here, uh, we can use here section. Okay, and this section id I am giving like section 1 s1. Okay, and here I am going to write one paragraph like page 1. Similarly, I want to create another section. Okay, page 2. But how this section is different from the first section? You can use id s2. Okay, s2 belongs to this first section, and s2 belongs to second section, right? But are you able to see any section like a page? Are you able to see any
No.
page type of
No.
thing?
No.
So what we have to do, we have to design this section. How we can design the section? We will call the section by its id. Okay, so I will write s1. S1 means I'm talking about this this section, this particular section. Section is what? Tag, right? So if I will apply here background color, let's suppose yellow. Okay, so it is coming like this, but I want to provide it height and width. Okay, it is already taking width because this is what? Block level element. Section is which level element? Block level element. That is why it is taking full width, but height it is not taking. So let's provide the height. Okay, so height you can write 100 vh. Okay, what is the mean of vh? Vh means viewport height. Okay, whatever area visible here, it will cover all the entire area. This is means vh. Here you can write pixel also, but pixel means this much. But I want to say whatever the visible page, whatever the visible white screen, just cover all the screen, so VH, right? Okay, so like this is it is coming. Is it looking like a page? Is it looking like a page now? Okay, now let's give the font size. Font size I'm giving like 40 pixel, right? Font weight I can give like bolder, right? Color we can provide. Color is what? Let's suppose red. Okay, so like that we can provide. Okay, so can I design the second page? This page 2. Okay, now you tell me how can I design this section 2? Okay, I will not show you the code. You have to tell me. Tell me, Bhavani, what we need to do in order to design the section 2, page 2. What do we need to write?
Span section where we have to add a here
Okay,
down.
so what I need to write?
Section.
No, I
Sorry,
will
sorry.
select it by ID. So how can I
Okay.
select this element by ID? What I will write first? Hash. After writing
Which yes.
hash, we need to write ID name. What is the ID name?
Section.
No, no, no.
S1.
ID
S1.
name is
S1.
S2.
S2.
Yes, we are
Yes.
designing S2 now. Alright, no issue. Now what I need to do? Can I provide background color?
Yes. Background.
Color. Okay. And the background color, let's suppose sky blue. Okay. But I want to make it like a page. Like this section is covering the entire screen. Similarly, I want this. What can I do for that? I need to write height.
The height
Yes. How
and
much
width.
height? It is already taking full width. Okay. Can you
Okay.
see?
Yes. We can write 30 VH
We
or
can
10
write
VH.
100
VH.
VH. 100 VH means it will cover the entire screen.
Mm.
Okay, this entire
Yes.
screen and this entire screen. Now I want to change the text. So
Text
how
color
can
or
I,
text?
how can I increase the text size?
Mm.
Font size, right?
Font size.
Yes.
Mm.
And I can give here like 40 pixel. How can I make it bold?
Font
Font,
strong. Strong.
font weight, right? And here you
Wait.
can give
Yes.
bolder, right? How can I change the color of this font?
What? We can change the
How we can change the
font color. Font color.
do I need to write font, then
Color.
hyphen color,
Yes. iPhone color.
then
Color.
which color? Tell me the color name.
Green.
Why it is
Font
not
color.
changing?
I.
See here it has changed to red, but why here it is not changing?
Mm.
See, whenever you are changing the background color, you will write background hyphen color. But whenever you are
Mm.
changing the text color, you don't need to mention here font. You just mention color only.
Okay.
It has changed right
Mm.
now. All right. Okay. So what we have to discuss? We have to discuss about the fixed position. Okay. So fixed position means I want to make, see, when I'm scrolling down, my header is hiding. This is my first website. It is hiding. I don't want to hide it, right? I don't want to hide it. What we can do for this? We can make this header as what? Fixed. What we will write? We will write here display fixed. Okay. So the moment you will write display fixed and you will say top 0. Mhm. Why it is not fixed? Okay, no display. Oh, I'm writing wrong because we are learning what fixed position, but here I am writing display fixed. That is wrong. This is the value of position. Okay, so what we have to mention, position fixed. Okay, so the moment you are writing position fixed, so you can see here this header is what? Fixed, right? So can we provide it width?
If we can scroll, if we can scroll down also, the header will come top up only.
Yes, yes. So
Like how we are using like Excel, like a viewpoint, like that.
mm, can you please come again?
How we are doing in Excel sheet, like that
Yes,
we
yes,
can
yes,
select
yes.
that
We can
cell,
like it
and
is, yeah,
we can select and we can go to the view. It will come in a first top
right.
heading, like that.
Yes, it is
Okay.
something like you are freezing a particular row or column. Similarly, something like that, right? Now? But this page is hiding, so what I can do in the section 2, I can in the section 2, I can provide some. What can I provide? I can provide margin. Okay, margin top 10 pixels, or what size we have given to this header, header height. Okay, there is no height we have provided, but let's suppose I am saying 30 pixel. Okay, so it is coming. So let's suppose there is one WhatsApp icon, WhatsApp, or WhatsApp icon, or should we write something else? Okay, uh, let's write WhatsApp icon, WhatsApp icon. Okay, so I'm taking a WhatsApp icon. Okay, let's take this only. Uh, okay, I want to remove the background of this WhatsApp. So remove BG is the website which will remove the white background from this icon. Okay, so here what I will do, I will just keep upload, I mean paste the URL, and it will give me the WhatsApp without background. Okay, so it has removed the background. Now what I will do, I will download this free. So I will just copy it, I will cut it, and I will paste it here in our. Okay, so this is the WhatsApp icon we have, and what I will do, I will just change the name of this icon. uh, W, what I'm writing here, WhatsApp only, WhatsApp. Okay, dot png. So what I want in my website, this is my website now. uh, in this my website, I want to keep my that WhatsApp icon here. I want to keep my WhatsApp icon here at the bottom left corner. How can I do this? So let's go to the code and let's keep it one side. And uh, here what I need to do, after the header, I will use one image tag, img tag. And in the img tag, I will mention the image name. What's the image name? So first of all, I will write here dot and forward slash. The moment you will write the dot and forward slash, it will redirect you to the current folder. What is our current folder? Day 3. And in day 3, we have two things. One is this file, HTML file. Second is image. So I will just click on image. Okay, so WhatsApp image is coming something like this. Okay, so if you want to customize the image, means if you want to change the height and width, what you can do, you can go here, you can write here img tag. Okay, we are selecting this image with img tag. Okay, here I can mention the width of the image like 100 pixel. Okay, so where is the image now? This is the image. I want to, okay, and I want to, okay, let's keep it more small. Okay, and I want to keep it here at bottom. How we can keep it? Can you please tell me? Do you have any idea? So here we will use the position. Okay, and what we will give? Position fixed.
Static.
No, by default the position is static, but we are giving position is fixed. So if we will give the position fixed, it has fixed at one particular location. But we have to keep this image at this point, at here, at the bottom left. So what we will do, we will write here top. How much top we will give? Let's suppose 300 pixels, or let's suppose 400 pixel, or we can try some number which 500 pixel. Let's give here 350. How about 400? Anyway, this is fine. And what we can do, we can provide it left. Okay, how much left? 300 pixel. Okay, and we can say like 330 pixel. This is 340 pixel. Okay, so it is coming something like this, right? So if you, whenever you will hover, I mean whenever you will scroll down or scroll up, this image will be fixed, right? If you want to keep here chatbot icon, so you can keep that icon as well. So what we will do here, we will write here chat icon. In some website you have seen like there is a chatbot option. Chatbot icon. Okay, let's suppose I want to keep this image. Let's copy the image URL. Okay, and directly this URL, instead of giving this, you can provide it the absolute path. Okay, can you see this chat icon is coming here, right? So this is how it is. possible because of fixed position, right? Okay, so there is one more position, that is position sticky. Okay, so if I will make this image as sticky, okay, so what will happen? Okay, it is not like this. Let's keep it fixed only. Okay, let's suppose in the page one I want to create one box. Okay, inside the page one I want to create one box. So how to create box? I'm just using one div and I'm writing here box one, and here I'm giving id is what? Box one. Okay, id is box one. Okay, so this box one I want to make it like a box. So what I will do here, after the s1 I will write here. Are you understanding? Box one.
Yes, understanding.
Any confusion, please stop me and ask your
No, no,
doubt.
no, no,
Okay,
no.
so here
Index.
not index, I have to make it like a box.
Okay.
So let's provide the border.
Delete.
Right now let's provide the border, right, like 7 pixel. Then what we write after border 7 pixel, we write the style of the border, we write the color of the border. Color of the border is, let's suppose, pink. It's not good. Purple. Okay, that is fine. Let's decrease the width, let's say 200 pixel. Okay, let's provide the height 200 pixel. Let's provide some padding 200 pixel. Okay, or 100 pixel. Okay, so you just observe one thing. Whenever I'm increasing the padding, whenever I'm increasing the padding, so the box size also increasing. Have you noticed this? As soon as I am increasing the
Yes,
padding,
yes,
box size is also
yes,
increasing. See, I'm not
yes.
increasing the width, but why it is changing the box size? I don't want, whenever I increase the padding, just increase the padding. Why are you changing my box size, which I have given some already width and height? Then why you are changing this? Okay, so if you want to stop this, so here you need to write one property. Globally, you have to tell this globally. Like globally, we said padding 0, margin 0. Then we have to set one more thing, which is box sizing border box. Okay, the moment you will write box sizing border box, so whenever you will increase the padding or margin of your box, it will not change the size. See, it is changing. Is it changing the box size? See, now it is changing. But see, because that is what higher number that it cannot tolerate. So but like if you will write these numbers, so see, box size is not changing. If I will remove this box sizing border box property, then what will happen? Can you see box size is increasing? But if you will write
No,
box
no.
sizing border box, then when you will write the padding, your size will not adjust. Your size will be, I mean your box size will be same. Getting this padding we have given. Okay, so let's give the normal padding like 30 pixel. All right. Okay, let's give the margin as well. Margin is what? What's margin? Margin means the space outside the border. Right now, inside the border, space inside the border, and content between the border and content, that space is padding. Outside the border, the space is padding, I mean margin. Right? Can you please tell me how can I provide shadow to it? Oh, not shadow, but just tell me how can I change, how can I curve its border, how can I curve
Yes.
this corner?
Like index, we can give index like z,
No, no, no.
y,
Z
z index,
index,
z index,
Z index
z
is
index.
for like for changing the
Sorry, sorry. Position of the box.
yes, yes. When boxes are overlapping, then you can say which box should come first and on which box will come first on the top of that box. So that is we handle with Z index. But here there is no overlapping, so no use of Z index. We
Re-
use here
we can use relative
border radius. Okay. So border
order.
radius is for curve the border. Okay. How can I change the color of this box? Background color. Okay. This color is looking weird. So change the text color. Text color, let's suppose this. All right. Can you please tell me how can I provide shadow to it? What we have discussed in last
Z
class?
index.
No. Z index
Sorry,
is
sorry, 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 sorry. Tell me, tell
no
me.
issue, no issue.
Box shadow.
Yes, box
Box
shadow.
shadow.
Yes, box shadow. That is box shadow.
Sorry,
No,
sorry.
no problem, no problem. It happens. Okay, so this is the X and Y. I'm not giving X and Y position. I'm just giving the blur. I want to blur 10 pixel. Which color you want to take? Let's suppose red color. Okay, or you can take white color as well. But white color will not display. Black color you can take. Let's keep red color. Okay, so it is coming like this. All right. Can I make it fixed? Can I make this box fixed at its position? What I need to write? Position fixed. Okay. So can you see this box is fixed? It's not moving right now. The pages are moving, but that box is not moving. This that we have discussed already with this chat icon. Okay, so no need to discuss about the fixed position, but we have to discuss about sticky. Sticky means when you will scroll, why it is not behaving like a sticky. Let me just check. Position sticky. Position sticky in CSS. Okay, so position sticky behaves something like this. When you are scrolling, so it is also scrolling, but once it will touch the top, it will become like a fixed, right? So how they have created? They have created three elements. One is this, second is this, and third is this. And this div they have provided sticky. So similarly, we can also do now. If I will make this section 2 as what? Sticky. Then how it will work? It is not. Okay, because this is inside the, this box is inside what's this section, that is why it is not working actually. I have to keep it outside the section. Okay, let's keep this outside the section. And let's just provide one, what we can say, position, I mean top. Let's provide 20 pixel. Okay, okay, no, there was no issue actually. See, I can keep this box inside the section, still there is no problem. Okay, see, but you will see when I'm scrolling, then it is not behaving like a sticky, because whenever you are making an element position sticky, you must need to provide one like this property which is top. You need to provide top value or left value at least, then it will behave like a sticky. If you will miss the top, it will not behave like a sticky. See, so right now our box is there, but now it is behaving like a sticky, right? In this particular page you will see here it is behaving like a sticky element, understanding? But for this page 2 it is not behaving because it is inside the page 1. If you want like it is behave for entire page, it behave sticky for entire page, so this box should come outside the section. Okay, so see, let's change the position value like if 300. Okay, so can you see the sticky? So it has, it is not a proper example. Let's keep it inside the section 2. Okay, let's keep it inside the section 1, but increase the height of the section 1. Okay, so section 1 height is what? The section 1 s1. So I'm just increasing the viewport height. So viewport height is this, and let me just provide top value is what, 100 pixel or 300 pixel. Okay, so all right, all right. So see, actually, what the sticky position means? Sticky position means it will work like a fixed position for this page 1. Once the page 1 will over, it will work like a normal element, right? But see, if you will see this chat icon, it will always work like a fixed element for every page. But this sticky box one, for this page 1, it is fixed, but the page 2, for page 2 it is not fixed, it is like a normal one right now. Can we make header as a sticky? Position sticky, sticky. Okay, okay, okay. Anyway, okay. So see, like this sticky behave. Okay, so the position to this box they have given what sticky, and top they have given 20 pixel. So when we are scrolling down, so it is behaving like this. Okay, such example we can also create. Okay, so let's do one thing for sticky. To understand sticky better, let's create one uh, more file, which is, let's suppose, sticky position dot html, because we are not able to understand in proper manners. That is why we will try it on different page. Okay, so let's write a html5 code. Okay, so here I will create three boxes. Okay, see, when I'm saying three boxes, so how many divs I want to create? Three box. I mean three divs, and each div is having IDs what? Box 1, box 2, and box 3. So in shortcut way, how you can make this? You will write here div. I mean here you just write box and write here dollar, right? And multiply it by 3, and in the each box you want some content like box dollar. Okay, can you see this? It means the id of that div is box, and this dollar symbol will replace by 1 2 up to 3, because we are multiplying this dollar with 3, and this box and this again dollar will replace with 1 2 3, and this box 1 2 3 will come inside the between the divs, and that is known as emit abbreviation. This is what shortcuts to create the code. Can you see, in one click we got all three divs? How we have done this? Have you observed? So what ID we want to give? We want to give ID what? Box 1 2 3. So for 1 2 3, what you will write dollar, and up to like how many divs you want to create, just multiply it. So this dollar will work like 1 2 and 3, right? And after that, what content you want inside the divs? So you can mention here like box 1 should be the content. So for 1 you will write dollar, and dollar will replace with the number which you are multiplying. So we are multiplying 3, so the dollar count will start from 1 and up to 3. Are you understanding this? I have written a shortcut which is box dollar multiply 3 and the content box dollar. Are you getting this?
Yes, yes.
All right. So let me just, yeah, I will write quick code now. Okay, I will not explain many things, because we are just creating the box only, which you already know and which we have already discussed. So here just I will write like, here I will write style tag, and after that I will call box 1. Okay, and I will call box 2, and I will call box 3. Okay, So here what I will provide, here I will provide some width like 200 pixel. You cannot see the width 200 pixel. Why? Because there is no background. Background is, let's suppose, yellow. Okay, now you can see, but I need to provide border as well. So border 10 pixel solid, and which color? Okay, red color. Let's provide the height as well, so it looks like a border, I mean box, right? And let's provide the border radius, let's suppose 20 pixel, and let's provide the padding 20 pixel. But we don't want to change the size of this box whenever we are doing any padding modification. So here what we need to write, we will write padding 0, we will write margin 0, and the last property, which is box size border box, we will write. Okay, so while increasing the padding, it will not increase their size, right? And I want to change the color. Text color is, let's suppose, white only. Font width is what, bolder. uh, font size font size font size is what, 30 pixel, but the color is not visible. Let's write black color only. Okay, so see, this common style, this is the common style I want to provide to each element, right? So this common style I have to provide to each element. So what can I do? See, I don't want to write the same code in all the box 1 and box 2 and box 3, right? If you will write the same code, it will be lengthy. So what I will do, I will select the that div.
Like,
I will
okay.
provide this code to all the divs. So I will select by its name. So its name is what, I will say div, and all the divs I want
Box
this code.
2. Okay.
Can you see all the code is applying?
Yes.
And I want to provide some margin top. Margin top means outside space, 10 pixel, right? Let's suppose if I want to change the color of this second box, how can I change? If I'm changing from here, then it is changing entire box. Let's suppose green, it is changing entire box. But I want to provide the different colors to the different box. So for that, for individual styling, you can call that element using its ID. So box 1 is having its ID. So specifically, if you want to change the color of box 2 or box 3, in through the ID, you can do the customization. Okay, let's suppose blue, right? Let's suppose here I want to provide like this. Okay, now my the question is, which we have already discussed, that I want to keep all the boxes horizontally. This is vertically are coming in a single row. I want all the boxes. How we can do? Can you please tell me? We have discussed already about it. We will write here one. See, these are the block elements. That is why it is taking
Yes,
entire
yes.
width, entire
Inline
length.
inline elements. Inline elements.
No, no, that are the block elements. But we have to make
Yes.
it what element? We have to change its
Block.
display property. It's already blocked.
Yes.
See, if I'm writing
Yes,
block,
yes.
nothing happening because they are already blocked. Div by default is block element. So what I need to do? Tell me
Display.
what.
Inline block elements. Inline.
Okay, so if I will write only inline, so it will come
No
in single
block.
line, but
Same line.
width will not apply. So
So
for
block.
applying the width, we have to make the inline block. Okay,
Mm.
So it is coming like an inline block. So it is coming in the second row because there is no space. Okay.
Yes.
So for this we can change the size like 100 pixel and 100 pixel. Oh no, it's looking weird. 40 and 40. Okay, that is nice. Okay, I want to make the second box as sticky. How can I make the second box as sticky? So, okay,
Position,
yes, yes.
position, sticky.
Position sticky. And we must
And
provide
top,
some,
down,
we need to
down. We
provide
have to
some,
write top,
yes, we must provide the top. So top
top.
we
How
can
much
say,
pixel we want? 10 pixel or 20 pixel. We
okay,
can write.
but still,
Sticky. You.
but I'm not able to
Sticky.
scroll. I'm not able to
Oh,
scroll because we don't have that much content. So what we can do for that, I will write the section here. I will create one section element. Okay, and this section I will give good width. Okay, so this section I will provide good width. So I will call the section by its name, and I will say background color is what? Gray. Okay, but is there any background color we are getting? No. Why? Because no height, no width. Let's provide the width 100 VW means viewport width. And are we writing correct name? Are we doing any
VH,
mistake?
VH, we have to write.
No, no. This is VW means viewport width. We are talking about this horizontal
Okay. Mm.
sizing. Section. Are we writing correct spelling?
Where? No, we
Section.
have to write.
Section. What is it? Let's provide its ID. ID is what? S1. So instead of writing section, let's write here S1. But when it is ID, you cannot write only S1. You have to provide hash S1. Okay. So it is not this visible because there is no height. Let's provide the height. Let's say 200 VH. It's coming. But why it is not working? Top. Let's say box 2. Top is 40 pixel. Okay. So the position what we have given is static position. We have to write sticky here. Okay. Okay, so let's create one more section which is s2, and let's provide some let's call the section s2. So s2, and I want to provide these all the properties to the section 2, and I want to make it something like purple. Okay, so now you will see, yeah, now you will observe. Okay, so this is what is sticky element. So can I provide some content to the section? Let's try to provide some content to the section like Lauren 200 and Lauren 100. So we have provided the text. So this is the sticky behavior. So, okay, so this is what is sticky. Right. Okay, so we will I will take more example to tell you about this sticky and fix. But today that's it for today. In the next class we will discuss more about it. You just share me your doubts. You just share your screen so that we can resolve that particular issues in your code. Okay, so I'm stopping my screen. You just share your screen. Am I audible? Am I audible to you?
See, I am getting like this. See, the video is not playing, and here also the scroll is also not working here.
So in video you have written what? You have written this video. Just remove this text before HTTP. Whatever you have written, just remove this text in the source, in the video source.
Where this one?
Yes, in the video source at line number 30. Just check line number
Uh,
30.
yes, here. Video, this one.
Yes, after HTTP, before HTTP, remove everything in the SRC
Hmm. Hmm.
and remove this space also. The one space is coming, one character space. Yes. Try to check now. Go to the browser. I think you have shared only one screen. That is why I'm not able to
I,
see your browser.
Ye- yes, I think so.
Yeah, you have to share this entire screen.
It's not coming. Wait.
Entire screen option is not coming.
Mm,
It will come in the third section when you will share the screen now. So in third section it will display. There will be a
okay.
third option after sharing the screen.
When I click on entire screen, here down, share is not coming. Only share is blur because I'm sharing that window only. ಒಂದು ಬೇರೆ ನನ್ನ ಫೋನ್ ತಗೋ.
When you will click on share option, so it will display you Chrome tab, window tab, or like entire screen. So in entire screen you have to click, then you have to click on entire screen display, entire
Yes,
screen
I'm clicking
icon.
entire screen only,
Uh-huh.
but it's not at all sharing.
Sharing option is not working. Sharing button is not coming
Yes, yes,
because you have to click
yes.
on that icon. That I once you will go to the entire screen, then you have to click on that small screen. Then share button will enable. Right now, yes. Okay,
Are
just
you what? No.
yes, yes.
Mm.
Run the code. Show me the output.
Mm. Not playing the video.
Not playing the video, no issue. Just go back to the code once.
Yes.
Hold the control key and click on that link. Hold the control key,
Click on.
click on
Ah.
that link, SRC link.
Okay.
You have to just click on the with mouse. First, hold the control key, CTRL key, and click on this link. HTTP written now. Here you have to click.
Hmm.
Yes, just click on it. Just open this window. Just open this window now, like this Edge browser. In Edge browser, just check
Okay. I will wait.
at bottom. You can see Edge browser. It's highlighting something.
Hmm.
No, do not click again now. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So see, you have to download this video. Then you are directly keeping the link of that video. So that is why it is not coming.
Yes.
You just download this video and then
Okay. Hmm. Okay.
you just
And
download.
here also here in embedded, I already downloaded. I
Mhm.
will show you.
Do one thing,
This one I
Pranali.
downloaded.
Do one thing.
Yes.
Try to install AnyDesk. Just search AnyDesk and install that in your system.
Yeah.
Open new
I
tab.
downloaded here. Are you seeing my screen?
Yes, I'm seeing, but I don't want to solve this issue like that. I just
Already I downloaded this one.
Yeah, just open the AnyDesk. I'm
Yeah.
not right now. I will end the meeting. Then we will come to the AnyDesk and we will
Can I
discuss
can
this.
I open any desk app?
No, no, open. Don't open right now. Stop the screen sharing screen.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, don't open it. All right.
Okay.
So I'm just ending the class. Okay, and you just share me the AnyDesk key on my WhatsApp. Okay, then I will come to the AnyDesk. Right.
Okay.
I'm just
Okay
ending
then.
the meeting. Right.